Hey there, ever thought about getting paid for sharing your opinions? In this video, we dive into a cool survey site where you can earn rewards just by answering surveys. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or just want to have some fun giving feedback, this site has got you covered. So let's explore how easy it is to turn your thoughts into rewards. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our awesome videos. I'm always dropping cool and effective ways to make money online, no matter where you are in the world. It'd be awesome if you could comment below with your country so I can tailor some content just for your area. Alright, let's get started. Want to get paid for sharing your opinion? Unlock is a survey site where you can earn rewards by answering surveys. With Unlock, answering surveys just got a whole lot more fun. It's super easy. Just sign up, pick the surveys that catch your eye, and start racking up rewards. Whether you're lounging at home or on the go, you can turn your free time into cash or awesome gift cards. The main way to make money with Unlock is through surveys. Every now and then, you'll get an invite to join in on a survey, which will pop up in your email. You can also just log into the member dashboard to see what surveys are available for you. When you fill out surveys, you'll rack up points that you can trade in for all sorts of cool rewards. Think PayPal cash or gift cards for places like Amazon, Target, Google Play, Starbucks, you name it. Unlock also has some pretty cool sweepstakes, and one of them is just for new members. The prize? A sweet $1,000. Once you log into your dashboard, you'll see all the active prize draws and their draw dates. It's a fun way to snag a nice chunk of change just by being an active member. Imagine sipping your coffee while earning rewards for just sharing what you think. Thousands of users are already cashing in with Unlock, turning their thoughts into extra spending money. Join the community and see how rewarding it can be to voice your opinions. Don't miss out. Sign up today and unlock your first reward. It's completely free. So what are you waiting for? Before we finish up, if you enjoyed this video and want more like it, go ahead and hit that like button. Share it with your friends who might dig it too. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you awesome content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you're always in the loop when we drop new videos about money-making tips. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.